Hello, everyone. We are back with our episode 2 of Women in Tech series podcast. We have Pooja with us. She will be sharing her journey after returning to work. So, we are excited to learn about her experience, the challenges she faced, and how successfully she restarted her journey. So, let's get right into it. Thank you, Pooja, for joining us today. So, let's start with how did your experience after returning to work than you expected, and what felt easier or harder than you anticipated?
Thank you, Bhanupriya. So, returning to work after a break of 6 months, I would say it is quite overwhelming. It was a mix of emotions for me. I was genuinely very excited to get back to my professional life, but there was some heaviness in my heart. Like, okay, now I have to figure out how to balance between my work, my baby, my meetings, my feeding sessions, and everything. So, I was under the impression that I would give it a fresh start. I would pick things up very quickly and everything will be smooth. But it was entirely different. Now, I would say, surprisingly, getting back professionally was a lot more easier. But if it comes to the emotional part, it was not very easy. Seeing my baby waiting for me and managing that whole separation thing, it was something I was not very much prepared for. So, yeah.
Yeah, I can very much relate to it as being a mother of a daughter, like how difficult it could be leaving your daughter behind while
Yeah.
coming back to work. Moving forward to my next question. So, how our system supports your return to work, and what could have made this transition smoother?
So, our systems as an organization was very empathetic towards me, I would say. Whether it is providing me flexibility with the leaves or helping me with the paperwork throughout. Or I remember during my delivery, there was some insurance process. So, that reduced a lot of stress for me. Now, coming to the part which could have made it more smoother, we as a women need mental and emotional support that time. So, like, it would be best if we are provided some kind of therapy sessions or some counseling which would prepare us to get back to the professional life. So it would make it smoother, I would say. This postpartum phase, it is extremely draining. It drains us physically, emotionally, or mentally, and whatnot. So yeah, having that kind of support, it would really prepare us. Yeah.
Yes, our system is continuously working towards the mental well being of their employees. My next question is like, how did you rebuild your professional confidence and what helped along the way?
So, one thing I would say that people don't talk about enough is work never really leaves your mind. Even during a maternity break, it never really leaves. So, I was in touch with few of my colleagues. They made me feel connected. They, I would say, sort of made me mentally prepared. Also, I was telling myself that everything will fall into place. It would take some time. So, I was easing that pressure on myself. And when it comes to the support system, a big part in rebuilding my confidence, I would say, it came from the support system I had at home. So I am extremely blessed and thankful to have such a supportive husband. He was incredibly supportive throughout my pregnancy journey, during my postpartum phase. And even after returning back, I had that support at home. So he played a great role in shaping my confidence, my mindset, and everything.
We always need somebody to have our back. Then
Yeah.
only we can go ahead in our career. So, what support from your manager or team mattered the most, or what do you think? How a manager should react in such situation?
So I would truly appreciate my managers and all my team members. They were, very supportive throughout my journey. So I remember before my maternity break, Suresh sir and Rashmi Gupta, they made sure that I never felt guilty about not giving my 100%. This empathetic attitude, it makes a real difference. After I returned, Suresh sir continued to support me. by helping me aligning with the project and everything. So what I would say, that productivity and the dedication to my work, it returned, but it took some time. Sometimes we may need to give more time to our baby, but that doesn't mean we are any less committed to our work. We are equally committed. So yeah, I'm blessed to have such empathetic managers, such understanding team, fine
Yeah,
air.
even I can say, like for women especially, it is very important to have such understanding team. And I'm equally blessed. So before we wrap up, is there one piece of advice you would like to share to the women who want to restart their career after a break?
So, one thing I would strongly say is have someone whom you can truly rely upon, be it a caregiver or any family member. So, you can trust them completely with your baby. And coming back to us, so give yourself some time. You will grow gradually. Things take some time. It takes a lot more efforts to be back. And also, don't hesitate to ask for help. Never. People are much more understanding than we expect them to. Always ask for help. So that will be my advice.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Pooja. It's a great takeaway. Thank you for being with us. So let's stay tuned for our next episode. Till then, stay happy, keep learning. Goodbye.